Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and if you have little toddlers running around everywhere, then you guys have to check out this table and chair set from KRAND. This has come in so handy in our house, and our little one was so excited when we first got this. So it's perfect for not only sitting and eating, but he loves to look at his books or color while he's sitting on here as well. And what's really great is that it has these storage compartments on each side of the table, which is perfect for storing their books, their toys, coloring pages, really anything that they want to throw in there. I think these little compartments come in really handy. So the table stands 20.4 inches tall, it's 31 inches wide, and it's 19.7 inches deep. And the number one reason that we wanted this table and chair set in particular was because it's made out of solid wood. And I'm sure you know how rough kids can be on furniture. So we are very confident that this set is going to last us a really long time because it's built really well and it's very, very sturdy. I love the fact that the wood has a nice and smooth finish to it. Plus, I really like the fact that it has rounded edges because it just makes us feel a little bit safer while the little ones are running around. And installation was very easy. The directions were nice and clear. My little nephew was so excited to get this set, he even wanted to help put it together. And another favorite feature of mine is that it comes with these little felt pads for both the chairs and the table to help protect our hardwood floors. And I also love the white finish, which I think gives it a really clean and modern look. So needless to say, we have been thoroughly impressed with this kids' furniture set, and that's our point of view.